There are two types of collisions we're going to talk about most of the time. They are elastic and inelastic. An elastic collision, like you normally have, like if you play pool, on a pool table, the balls collide in what is typically a very elastic collision. What does elastic collision mean? Well, elastic collision is really simple. Momentum is always conserved. If kinetic energy is also conserved, the collision is elastic. It's really that simple. Momentum is always conserved. If kinetic energy is conserved as well, the collision is elastic. If, on the other hand, kinetic energy is not conserved, like cars deforming, then the collision is inelastic. If the two objects actually stick together, it's perfectly inelastic, i.e. there was no bounce at all. Right? And after the fact, the two objects are stuck together, they have one velocity, and so in a perfectly inelastic collision, you've got P1 plus P2 is going, and this is going to be M1 V1 plus M2 V2 is M1 plus M2 V prime, because they are going the same velocity after the fact because they're stuck together.